What's going on, gang? I am clocked in. You are locked in to another episode of Fish Guts Fishing. Got off work again early today, so I said, you know what I'm gonna go do? I'm gonna go get him. See if we could get this keeper for the gang today. So I got about maybe 3 hours today to try to put in some work, and we're going for blackfish today. You already know the bait of choice is the good old green crabs, which are right here. As soon as I get this bag open, show you guys. Oh yeah, you got the green crabs. So this is a male right here, but this is the bait of choice that we're using today, the green crabs. Got our handy dandy net. Then over here, you guys already know, got the Tsunami Trophy Series 7-foot slow pitch jigging rod, rated heavy. Over here, we're going to be using the 3/4 ounce jig today. We're going to go with a 3/4 ounce today, which is this right here, connected to a loop knot. It's a 25-pound fluorocarbon. You guys know the reel, the Penn Fierce 3 4000. So yeah, gang, we about to get busy. I see you when we bait it up. Go get them. All right, gang. So we got our handy dandy D-hooker. We have our shears to cut these crabs. Like I said, I like to chum the legs in the water. So that's what I'm doing right here, guys. Chumming the legs in the water. Chumming these legs in the water. Bust this guy right down the middle. You see that? Right where his mouth is, right there. Boom, boom. Get him good. So we're gonna be using, I made my own today. I made my own 2-hook jig. So All American Tackle, they have it. They have their jigs. They're called Rhode Island Wreckers. You could get them just like this. I ran out, so I had to make my own today. I'll get some more. But that's one piece of crab. And here goes the other one. Get that on there, put it right through, bang. Good to go. Now we're gonna drop these down, guys, and I'll see you when we on. Go get them, gang. We out. Here we go, gang. I'm sorry for the wind. This is ridiculous, but I found them. I done lost like 3 jigs, but I found these fish. I'm pulling one out of here. I'm pulling one out of here, gang. I have to. I have to. We on, gang. Oh yeah. Got us one, y'all. Got us one. Oh yeah. We out here, gang. It's a nice fat one too, y'all. Nice fat black. No, it's not a keeper, but we gotta measure this one anyway, still. Just cause. D-hooker. There you go. As a matter of fact, let me just measure you real quick, then I'll just D-hook you. Come on. See that, guys? 14 and a half. 14 and a half. Nice fat 14 and a half too. I'll tell you that much. 2, baby. Yes, sir. Number 2. Hooked him right there, right where you want him. Oh yeah, he got some funky looking eyes. Can you see that? His eyes are crazy. Nice fat one, y'all. Send him on his way. Guys, you're gonna have to excuse this wind. I know my videos, when it's windy, they suck, but we catch a fish, y'all, so that's all that matters. Woo! I give that dive about a 10. We out here, oh yeah. Get in action, y'all. This wind sucks, for real. I'm sorry, y'all, but I gotta get him, and I want y'all to see me get him, so we out here, you heard? Wind, whatever. They bite it too. As soon as they get down there, they touching it up. Keepers. Come on, fish guts. Come on, fish guts. Excuse me. Go, y'all. Number 3. Nice black. Oh man, let's see if he gets us out. Oh, he got me stuck in that stuff. Got him out. Got him out with a nice old pull. Got him out with a good strong pull, y'all. Man. This guy right here had me stuck in something. And then I pulled hard. I was able to get him out. Got us another one, y'all. Oh yeah. Get the gang. Out here. They knew the slogan. Locked in and locked in. Real cool dudes. Let's see if we get us another one, y'all. Good gang. Well, gang, I'ma wrap this one up. I done lost like 5-6 jigs today. That's not good. So we're gonna wrap up this episode of Fish Guts Fishing. You already know. To the next episode, go get 'em, gang. We out here. I apologize for the wind. I'ma fix that.